The parties are, as I said, the parties are accordingly guided, and we will proceed.
Much obliged, Your Honor.
Thank you. Opening statements by Honorable Wamboka, and you have 40 minutes, sorry. As I said, we have allocated 40 minutes, and please be guided by the clock on the...
Asante sana, Madam Mwenyekiti. Of my 40 minutes, I'll give some remarks, then I'll allow my advocate to say something about the same. This is a case of gross violations of the Constitution, gross misconduct, and ministerial responsibility. National agenda of this administration of William Ruto on food security is noble. And from the onset, I must say, we support the president because agriculture is the backbone. If the country is food secure, then you have a healthy nation. It is too critical a matter for this country to be jeopardized. Madam Chair, various violations meted out against innocent Kenyans through distribution of fake fertilizer, as we will be demonstrating to this noble committee. Consumer rights have been violated, and someone must be held accountable. Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock has got ahead. Who must take responsibility? In fact, in serious democracies, by now, the minister should have resigned. Honorable Committee. This is one of the flagship of Honorable William Ruto. And as I said, we support the president. And that is why I'll draw your attention to the voting in the House. Honorable Chair, it was bipartisan. It was bipartisan. That is how serious this matter is. I've looked at the responses from my good friend, and indeed is my friend, Linturi. There's a Luya saying that says, I would wish that this should become this, so that I don't listen to what the Honorable Minister is trying to say.